Okay, so we have Stateroom 7060, and the concierge lounge is just right over there, and the elevators are just right here, so it's a very convenient location. And I gotta put my card in if I want to. All right, so opening the door, we have closets. 3 of them. I was already in here, I forgot to shut the door. This one has robes, ooh, really nice robes too. And it has the life jackets and our junk that we threw in here real quick. Our luggage isn't here yet, but, and then in here we have more life jackets and a safe and the card from our stateroom attendant who grabbed me. The beach towels, slippers, places where you put your laundry bag, and then shoe shine. And this room, oh, and an umbrella. And this room does come with free pressing, so as soon as I unpack, I'll take all the wrinkled stuff out. And then again, a long hanger, which is nice for long dresses. And I love the lighted rods that they have on Holland. Kind of out of breath because it felt like we ran up here. And then to the other direction, there is a curtain that separates the main cabin from a vanity area with a great makeup mirror and lights, Kleenex, chair, gonna love that. And then some other sort of closet. What is this? More closet. Oh, cool. So we have his and her closets. Perfect. And then this should be the lavatory. Yes, double sink, lots of mirrors and light. Of course, there's a toilet. Now, I've had this exact bathroom before, and the jetted tub, which also has a handheld shower, but there's also this shower. And both have all the Elemaze products, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. All right, so let's go look at the main part of this room. Okay, so walking in, there's a little desk area here. You could move a chair up here if you wanted to, and some shelves. If you were taking one of those really long cruises, you could just move right in. I guess this is probably where you set up your bar. Hello. And a table, chairs. It's kind of a sectional. Another little table and light. And then this must be like a mini bar. Or a fridge, I mean. Not yet filled with mini bar items. And the ice bucket. And the champagne that comes with the room. And let's see what it says. Please enjoy the sparkling wine and mineral water. Oh, that's nice. Compliments. And there's the binoculars. One of my favorite things about Holland is I don't have to drag my binoculars. Oh my gosh, there's a potted plant. Oh no, it's not real. Okay, good. When I lived in Kodiak, the people on boats said that was a bad omen to have a plant on a boat. Oh, and they gave us each a mask. It's kind of nice. It's one of those you can put a filter in. Okay, got invited to a Mariner cocktail party. Here's an invitation to go to the Neptune Lounge and use its concierge services. And then the health advisory, you have to wear face masks indoors except when eating or drinking. It's just some information about entertainment, so much to do, all the different venues. And this looks like sugar. It is sugar because we have a coffee maker. Yeah, we have teeny little espresso cups, regular cups. And these must be like the K-cup. Oh, these aren't regular K-cup things. These are their own size. A Bose system. I wonder if it's Bluetooth. I don't know. And then the bed has 2 USB ports on this side with the phone. That's convenient. It's a true king-size bed. Not a cruise ship king, which is kind of a queen. Every day you get one of these, and it's the day's activities. And then this is about how to use the Wi-Fi. Yes, I got one USB on this side. I say I got because I always sleep on this side. So it's a pretty little room and some fresh flowers, roses, Gerber daisies, a carnation. And then I hear the deck is pretty big in these suites. Oh, there's a clock built in the wall. That's handy. Wow, this is a nice big deck. That is my complaint about a lot of the balcony rooms, is that the balconies are so small. You get one person there, so another person comes out, everybody has to shift. Especially like, I think it's a Princess, super small. But yeah, I mean, if you were gonna really eat on this table, you would definitely have to move those if you had 4 people, but it's nice. And Fort Lauderdale, there's the big white building over there that people always wave from. I didn't actually bring a white glove, but my fingers are so white. Okay, that's clean. And let's just do this. Is by the door, so if anywhere it's going to be dusty. Nope. These marble tables are... Did all my fingers. Nope, not a thing. Nope. There's no real headboard except up there, so I wouldn't normally touch that, so I'm not going to even test that out. Let's try these, because if someone didn't use it, maybe they didn't clean it. Who knows? Clean. Clean. Let's just pick a shelf. Clean. All right. This passes the white glove test for me. So now I need a snack. Desperately need something to drink. And this is our room. It's Pinnacle Suite, 7060. And it's nice to see it like this, because as soon as the luggage gets here, it'll never look the same. All right, bye-bye. Okay, just a little bit more cabin tour. I missed this before. That's just how they do the soap and lotion. They also have a bar soap, but they have LMS products here. You know, shower cap, luxury bath salts, and a loofah. And then they have Quiet Mind Temple Balm. I think that's that stuff you put on your temple to relax. And then Quiet Mind Bath Elixir. So I'm going to say bubble bath maybe. And a Lip Revive. That's very nice when you've been out in the sun. And then finally Eyes Awake, which is nice if you had recovery gel. You had a long night. So those are nice, a nicely appointed bathroom. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully there'll be more with our adventures on the Nieuw Amsterdam going to the Western Caribbean.